Good morning! Welcome to my channel. This is my first vlogs for Q1 Fiancee Visa processing experience, and this is my first time to share with you guys. Please watch, guys. I hope it helped. For Q1 Fiancee Visa processing experience, and this is my first time to share with you guys because I don't know how to share and to start my vlog, and now maybe I have my eagerness to share what my experience in my Q1 Fiancee Visa processing. First, there's around 8 categories how to prepare your documents. There's a lot of preparation, guys. I know it's hard for you, especially the Filipina is working. It's so hard, and I hope it will help this video. And if you have any question, advice, just click the comment section and subscribe this video and like and share. And now I want to start in the one category is email communication. The email communication is like you need to have a 50 email, the beneficiaries and the sponsors or your petitioner. So guys, you need to, if you have any you start is like it's contagious, you reply and not, you need to make a brand new email, guys, because mahirap pag ipiprint mo na siya during that time. Kasi yung sa akin, the first is nagre-reply lang ako sa fiancé ko, and he also replied to me like in my email, in my message, is it happened, it's hard for me to print. So the one I'm happy that there's someone advise us that we need to make a brand new email before my fiancé come in the Philippines. So we follow the advice and we email new one. If my fiancé send me email message, then I do is send also to him. Hindi ako nag-reply sa kanya. I make is my own email to him, and he is also do like that. So that's the advice also for us. And I see also the YouTube. So I'm happy, guys, that I do that, because when the time my interview in US Embassy in the Philippines, I do is it's easy for me to print, and I make my own folder also, that the name of my husband for the Yahoo account. So it's easy for me to scroll and to print the email of my husband. So hindi kayo mahihirapan, guys, pag brand new yung email nyo at saka ni fiancé mo. So kailangan nyo din sa Yahoo email or Gmail like that, na kasi yan po ang magandang proof at mabisang proofs during your interview, kasi yan din ang hinihingi ng interviewer doon sa US Embassy. And also the Facebook communication, ang ginawa ko is screenshot din. So I screenshot all the conversation namin, na yung sweet na conversation ninyo, parang good yung conversation ninyo na mababasa ng consular is maayos naman yung email ninyo. Wag no yung nag-aaway kayo. So, dapat sweet conversation. Parang true din kayo. If ever, your email like, may plano kayo sa future ninyo, yung mga ganong mga email na ikaw din, na feel talaga ng consular, na love mo talaga yung fiancé mo, then the fiancé love you. So, yun yung mapakita nyo during the US Embassy interview. At saka, if and the next video, guys, I will show also to you the folder that you need to prepare, and that's individual explain ko sa inyo yan. That's my totoong pangyayari sa process ko, sa buhay ko. Kaya I wanna share to you also, guys, kasi I am here now in United States, at salamat sa Diyos kasi nakapasa ako. And then mabuti yung guys na prepared ka kaysa hindi kang preparado. And then be sure na you are serious and willing to give yourself to your fiancé or to be your husband because I know it's not easy, guys. You're far in your family, especially you're family oriented. It's not easy to come here in the United States, that you're alone, and also it's stranger to you. It's like me. I do have a family here. So I miss my family. So you need to be prepared to yourself. But if you have a husband, you will be happy anyway. And then it's nice also here, guys, in the United States. So I hope, guys, I have many videos to share all of you. And then any comments, any inquire about my experience in K1 Fiancee Visa, let me know and just comment and share with me your struggle in preparing your papers, and especially during the US Embassy interview. So I hope, guys, next video I can more share to you the documents and a lot, because this is my first time sharing to you guys my video. I hope I have more videos to share, and please comment, share, likes, and subscribe to my video. And I hope, guys, I have more videos to share. And God bless, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.